All right, having a good morning, Monday morning walk. Gonna get this thing started right. Kenney on the scene in the neighborhood, taking a walk. Had a good weekend, y'all. I'm gonna have a lot of good content coming up starting this weekend. I'm gonna be on the scene in the biggest little city in the world, Reno, Nevada. Go up there and try to enjoy myself with my wifey and bring some of that money back. You know, that money y'all deposited, I'm gonna try to bring some of it back so I can enjoy it. We got Killer right there. Hello. Killer over there trying to get to me. It ain't gonna do nothing. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna actually be taking the train, Amtrak, up to Reno through the mountains. Wow. Fake it till you make it. Put the license plate on any kind of way you can, I guess. But anyway, like I was saying, we'll be taking the train up and over to Reno and enjoy a Babyface concert. So I'll see what kind of footage I can get at the concert. Little snippets here and there of this weekend. But yeah, I have a lot of good stuff on the agenda for this upcoming summer, fall, well, summer, spring and summer. Different concerts, events. I really just get it started. Really can get into action once I can retire and keep my stress level down from this craziness they call work. But anyway, I'll record